hotel. I'm gonna look for Starbucks. We have McDonald's nearby, but I wanted Starbucks. Buying a tripod. Paano nga po ino-open? Sorry.
Ano lang.
Okay.
Kasi kaya magmamatigas yan.
Yan. Hi everyone. Okay, so I already checked in. Ano ko pang mag-vlog kasi ito na ako sa hotel. And what I'm about to do before fixing my things is to show you the things that I got. I'll show you my mini haul. Mini haul. Okay, I'll show you my mini haul. So first of all, I haven't explained where I am and what I'm doing. So I'm at Metro Manila right now. I just have to do something. I really don't have an itinerary on what I will do and where I will go, so let's just figure it out along the way. My hair is a mess. Everything is a mess. Anyway, this is my haul. As if naman very relevant. Okay, first of all, without further ado, everything in here is from Mr. DIY. I also got this dun din. Ano lang, stalls lang there. I went to Southgate Mall. Yes, dun ako pumunta because that's the place where I had to do my errands. I'll show you what I got from Mr. DIY. And maybe you're asking, why did you get an envelope? Or maybe you're not asking because you really couldn't give an envelope for my papers. Nail clippers. I got a comb. Oh, diba? Grabe na pala haul ito. I got a comb because wala akong dala. Rubber bands for my hair. This beauty blender because, oh my god, I think I'm gonna show you my beauty blender later. But it's very dirty. I don't wanna show you na lang. Hindi na ako bumili sa Watsons. Ewan ko. Let's try it. Tingnan nga natin. Okay naman siya. It's very puffy naman. Let's see how it blends. Hindi naman siya amoy chemicals. So I guess this is okay. Oh my god guys, haggard kay ko now. Please do not mind the face. Oh, I got this mirror. Because guys, let me show you. This is my mirror, guys. That's so used and abused. Let's replace that with this one. Cute, cute. Flower, flower. Oh my god, no! Can you see that? Oh my god, my ugly ass nails. Paano ba ito tatanggalin? Let's see if I can remove it. I think I can remove some bits. But the whole? I don't think so. Now these... Wala akong masabi. I guess this is an impulse buy, but I somehow need this. I got this clear case. I got this wired earphones. Last but not the least, I got a tripod. I forgot to mention na meron siyang light. Yan. Oh my god, hindi ko alam kung paano na ulit tayo. Okay, medyo okay tayo sa part na yun. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya. Wait na, wait na, wait na. Okay. Lagay kita dito. Chill ka lang. Sandali, sandali. Huwag na ko i-pressure. Wait. Ayan. So guys, nandyan na kayo. You're there. Wait. Let's turn on the light. Saan na ba? Uy. So may nakikita ba kayong difference? I hope so. I don't even know if I'm gonna use this because nahihiya talaga ako mag-vlog. Let's see how it goes for the next few days because I'll be here for quite a while. Let's see kung saan tayo abot nito. Time check, it's 7:16 and pupunta ako sa Newport Mall. So pupunta ako doon and I wanna find this photo booth. Yan lang talaga yung pakay ko doon, guys. But aside from that, I wanna go find somewhere to eat, some place to eat dinner. Kasi medyo gutom na rin ako. Pero tinatamad akong bumaba. Pero wala akong choice. So, guys, I'm using the tripod already. Goods lang ba? With the light! Sino ka dyan? Sino ka dyan with the light? Sige, let's go. Walking on sunshine. Hindi ko makita yung photo booth, guys. Guys, I don't know where to find the photo booth, so paakyat baba lang ako sa escalator. Ay! Ito na! I found it! Oh my god, so OA, wait. Guys, we made it! So, yeah. This is it. Wait lang, I don't think I have exact bills. Guys, wala akong change. So, I decided to have dinner at Shakey's muna. Okay guys, so bumalik na ako. Right. Bumalik na ako dito. So, let's start. This one. So cute. I got my friends. Ito lang talaga yung pinunta ko dito, guys. Kaya, I think I'm going back to the hotel or ikot po muna ako. So guys, I've already gone back to the hotel and I think it's time to rest na. Bukas naman. Tingnan natin kung saan tayo ulit bukas. Hi guys, good morning. It's day 2 here in Manila and guys, hindi pa ako nakapag-ayos and everything because nagka-dysmenorrhea ako. So, it's actually, hindi na morning, it's actually almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And ngayon lang talaga ako nakapag-recover. I took ibuprofen na lang kasi guys, ang sakit talaga ng puson ko and nakahandusay lang ako dyan kanina. So, I'll just get ready na lang to go out and let's just do my makeup for today. Izzy & Co skin tint for my base and Sunny's face multi-stick. Liquid brow liner. I forgot where this is from, but my sister bought it from Triumphs dun sa Ayala. And this eyebrow gel mascara from Pretty Secret. Eyeliner. This is just from BYS. This is actually a gift from my friend, also from BYS. Skinny gel eyeliner. This color tint from Colorette. Firework mascara from Maybelline. Also a gift from my friend. Let's try this Lock Kiss ink from MAC. Jessie Fat Gloss in the shade Cowgirl. That looks cute. This is the look. Guys, di na ako nakapag-vlog doon kasi hihiya ako, ang daming tao. Pero sa mall lang ako pumunta and nag-dinner din ako. And I'm back sa hotel and pasok muna ako sa room. Nasa Hub Make Club ako dito sa Escolta. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta, but ikot-ikot lang ako. Ikot, I mean, lalakad-lakad lang.
Ganun pa rin, alam? Since kasi magtatrabaho ka na na-expo
mag-focus ka sa digital na lang ng pag-ano, no? Pagka
more on
nag-bata.
machines.
Oo.
Thank you po. So guys, nakabalik na ako sa hotel. And gusto ko lang ipakita yung mga nabili ko sa Esquire. Ano lang to eh. Stickers, pins, ganun. This is for my sister. Ito kasi yung nickname ko sa kanya. Sticker, nylon pin. Para naman sa cousin ko. Binili ko siya sa Lemon... Ano tawag doon? Basta binili ko sa Lemon Pop something. Ito naman, I forgot the name kung saan. Mirror na maraming stickers. Doon, sa shop na yun. Towel. Tapos tingnan nyo yung nakasulat. Kita ba? And then, sticker ulit. Reputation. This is from Baobab. Ito yung trinay-on ko kanina. So, it comes with a hard case and a wiper. This is the frame. Mukha pa akong... Hindi ko alam. Pero para sa akin, ang ganda ng frame. Multi-coated lenses lang. Kasi for extra lang naman to eh. Kapag feel ko na maging extra din yung outfit. Cute ng stickers! Ito parang ano, tarot card. Tarot card. Tama ba? Tarot card. Ito yung favorite ko. From the iconic movie, I'm Drunk, I Love You. Burnout by Sugar Free. Yun lang naman guys. Ito lang yung nangyari sa buhay ko this week. And wala. Gusto ko lang siyang i-document. So after nito, dinner muna ako sa labas lang sa Newport Mall. And wala naman akong gagawin. And gusto ko na matulog ng maaga kasi bukas flight ko na pabalik sa amin. So I will end the vlog right here. If ever man pinanood nyo talaga hanggang dulo, thank you so much. Pero yung purpose ko lang talaga kung bakit ako nag-vlog is to document. And wala naman talaga akong ginawa. And hindi naman ganun ka dami yung clips ko. Kasi nga nahihiya ako mag-vlog in public. Kita niyo, hindi nga ako super speak talaga kahit may microphone na ako. Wait lang, hindi ko alam kung paano mag-outro. So, yun lang naman guys. Sorry kumakain na ako. Yun lang yung nangyari sa whole stay ko dito. Hindi ko lang ka-eventful, pero sabi ko naman na productive naman yung mga lakad ko. So, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you, bye!